Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the hairstyle of Camila Cabello. I hope I pronounce it good because usually I have difficulties with it. She wore this hairstyle at the AMAs 2019. But if you're wondering how I do this hairstyle, stay tuned because I'm gonna tell you exactly how. The first step is we're gonna separate our hair in the middle. Then we're gonna separate the pony part, and this is all the hair you need. Yeah. And we're gonna do the same with the other side. Then we're gonna section the parts for our braids because she has braids in her hair before the bigger braids is in. So this is all the hair you need for the braids, and we're gonna also do that on the other side. Then we separate the hair in 3 sections on the top part, and we're gonna start doing the Dutch braid. And if you have difficulties with doing the Dutch braid, just look closely to my hands, how I move them. And I will also put a link in the description below for the Dutch braid, so you can do this hairstyle. Then we're gonna make a ponytail on one side, and we're gonna also put the braids with the ponytail because that's also what Camila has for this hairstyle. So we're gonna also do that, and this is how it should look like. Then I'm gonna take extensions because she has a very long braid and I don't have that much of hair or that kind of long hair. So extensions is a very easy tool to create the same length as her. So we're gonna put extensions in it. And make sure to use bobby pins to secure your extensions. Then we're gonna start doing a braid out of the ponytail. So this is how you should do it. And here I'm telling my sister how in love I'm with this hairstyle because it looks so good, and so I didn't expect it to look this good. So yeah. So the mid part of the pony we don't need because she doesn't have a long pony but a small one, so we're gonna use a clip-in pony for that. And this is the clip-in pony. You just clip it on your hair and it will stay there, and you don't have to worry about losing your wig pony. So yeah, it looks very natural as you can see, and I'm glad I don't have to cut my pony. So then we're gonna curl the side parts of our pony because Camila has also that with this hairstyle, and we're gonna do that on both sides. Camila doesn't have a lot of side part curls, so I'm gonna put the hair I don't need underneath my braid. By the way, if you guys know any Camila Cabello fans, tag them in this video because I'm wondering what they think about this hairstyle. And as you can see, it already looks a lot better with less curly hair. And yeah, I should definitely curl that one because it's very long. Just like that. Yeah, this is what I like. This is how you get a pony without cutting your hair. You're welcome! And I'm gonna put all the products I use for this hairstyle in the description below. And by the way, if you guys have any questions or anything you want to ask me, you can put your question in the comments down below, and I really love to reply to all of your questions, so ask me anything you want. I'm gonna take now a lot of selfies for Instagram, and if you are wondering what the end result would look like, make sure to follow me there. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like it. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you the next time.